Here we have a 2015 FLTRXS Road Glide Special in the beautiful amber whiskey orange. Harley-Davidson badging on the tank. Does come with the incredibly reliable twin cam 103 cubic inch engine, full length floorboards, engine guard with equipped highway pegs. Throw your feet up on longer rides. Also has passenger pegs with factory 2-up seat, so you can take someone along for the ride. It does have the one-touch saddlebags. Whole lot of room for overnight bag, extra layers, tools, and it's all lockable. Docking hardware has been added to the rear, so you can add a backrest or rack down the road. Does have a beautiful set of Vance and Hines exhausts with carbon fiber tips. The rear fender does have the lighting as well. Aftermarket shifters with matching shift linkage. Has the center fill gas cap. 4.3-inch touchscreen boom infotainment system. Seamlessly connect your compatible smart device. And we're looking at 23,446 miles on the odometer. The iconic Sharknose frame mounted fairing. So when you turn the bars, the fairing stays in place. And has that beautiful contrast cut enforcer wheel in the front with dual disc brakes. Go ahead and hear a cold start.